Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off family-friendly mode in Brawl Stars considering that you have entered a minor age that is ranging from 3 to 16 years old and you want to change that. So in order for you to change it, you just need to head inside the game. After logging inside the game, you need to click the hamburger icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, you will see the settings tab and I want you to click on it. As you can see in this interface, the family-friendly mode turn and off button is not available after the updates. In the previous versions, it is still available. So in order for us to turn it off, you need to head into Help and Support button. Click this, and then click the search bar here, or search icon, then type in Contact Us. Then click How to Contact Us. Then, as you can see here, it is instructed that you need to click the blue message bubble in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, click the Leave a Message. And then here, we will be talking to a real-time agent regarding our issue on turning off the family-friendly. And right here, you will have the access of turning off your family-friendly mode in Brawl Stars. And that's how you can turn off family-friendly mode in Brawl Stars, and thank you for listening.